I, Kiff Chatterley, am about to take you on a safari through a wild world of creatures, great and small, funny and furry, in an epic event I like to call Kiff's Animal Kingdom, a short spectacular.
What's going on?
Yes, I'm quite curious too, Kiff.
This is my science report. I could give your average just stand and read from a piece of paper talk, or I could harness the power of multimedia.
Well, Miss Dear Teacher did forget to leave any plans for the day. Sure, why not?
Our first animal is the duck. Ducks enjoy swimming in gold, chasing dimes, and going on unnecessarily dangerous adventures. Let's see him in action. Yes, my friends, it's a well-known fact in the scientific community that birds cannot resist the siren call of a burrito.
Is it?
Shall we ask Principal Secretary?
What? She handed me a free burrito. What was I going to say? No?
Now let us hop to a cold-blooded creature. Next slide, Barry. I speak of the amphibian, more commonly called the frog, known for jumping, eating flies, and some light interdimensional travel. Let us observe these hopping heroes in a trio of important documentaries. So, as you can see, the natural predator of the frog is the pirate. Are there questions?
Yeah, are these films scientifically accurate?
Skeptic, I see. Barry, slide 73, please.
You got it, Kiff.
If frogs are not adverse to swashbuckling hooligans, then why did local Tabletown frog Glarbin Gloobin run in fear when exposed to them in these exclusive photos?
Maybe because you and Barry jumped out of a bush with cardboard swords.
You might want to get those eyes checked, Candle. Those are clearly two pirates, not a pair of best buds.
Moving on. Now we turn to one of nature's most highly advanced creatures, a squirrel.
That's you!
A true pinnacle of evolution. So let's watch a film on just how a squirrel comes to be.
Welcome to How to Draw Kiff.
Psych!
Start with her eyes, nose, and mouth.
Hello, world!
Then carefully draw her head.
You seem a little tense. Let's loosen up.
Wait, an unfinished drawing might... Oh.
Okay, too loose.
As an artist, it's important to always take your work seriously.
I agree. And today our work is having fun.
Let's sketch the rest of Kiff's body.
Ta-da!
When drawing Kiff's tail, model sheets can be used for reference to ensure it's drawn exactly right.
Or not.
Oh, wait, stop!
Relax. Look what we can do now. Yeehaw!
Ouch.
Oops. Sorry.
Now let's finish the drawing with her tail.
Okay, wait. You gotta see this. It's a magic trick. You're gonna love it. Grab this cup.
I suppose at times you may have to briefly humor your drawing.
And now for some magic words. Shibbity-boppity, 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 squirrel!
Well, Kiff, you're obviously still under... Huh? Where'd you go?
Hey, you found me! Let's play some hide and seek.
Okay. You can go hide, and I'll...
Can you find me?
Hang on, what? Kiff.
You're crushing this!
How'd she do that?
Yoo-hoo! You did it! See, I knew you were fun.
Sometimes when teaching drawing, your drawing may have something to teach you.
Ah, shucks.
Oh, hey, Kiff. What if I choose a game?
Hey, now we're talking. What do you got?
How about freeze tag?
Ooh, good one.
And go.
played.
This has been How Not to Draw Kiff.
Hey, you gotta untag me. Huh? I'm okay. The animal kingdom is full of unique interspecies relationships. Some are competitive, like the squirrel and the fox.
Wait, when did you take that picture?
Other animal relationships are based on teamwork, like the Egyptian plover, who cleans the teeth of the Nile crocodile, and the coyote and the badger, who hunt for food together. But perhaps one of the most important animal relationships is that of the squirrel and bunny.
Hey, that's me! Those balloon people were mad.
The bond between the squirrel and bunny is what some would describe as legendary.
Like who?
Well, don't take my word for it.
The bond between the squirrel and bunny is legendary. Now can I have that burrito?
It's just a really good burrito, okay? There's French fries on the inside.
Not only are the bunny and squirrel resourceful in times of play, but also in times of adventure.
secretary, how is Kiff stealing from a troll considered educational?
Well, you see, it's, Kiff?
Well, did anyone here know a troll could live at the bottom of a claw machine?
That's valuable information.
I guess I didn't know that, and that clip was kind of fun. Don't push it.
There is one creature so strange, so confusing, that we may never understand it. I speak, of course, of the human.
Its ears, so small.
Let's watch rare footage of me encountering a whole gaggle of humans in this thrilling adventure. Hey, Helen! What are you doing with the theme song Takeover logo?
Kiff, I'm concentrating the power of the logo into this potion so I can take over any theme song I choose. Just one small drop and I'll finally get the fame I deserve.
Hey, friends!
My potion! I think I'm glowing!
What the heck is going on? Why am I singing a song? There's a platypus chilling in this backyard.
Kiff, you took too much potion, now there's chaos in motion!
This whole thing is catching me off guard.
Kiff, come back!
Now I'm a wacky country kid doing fun stuff that orbits.
Kiff, you must get out before your brain gets scrambled!
I'm your basic average squirrel, and I'm here to save the world. You can't stop me, cause I'm Kiff Possible. Now I'm in the smelly bog, we're jumping on mushrooms. My best buddy is a frog, what's happening with that dude? Ah! This is getting really weird, this is getting really wild. Not from around here, where is that unicorn's body?
If can't you hear my voice? You need to wake up!
Hamster, hamster and squirrel, my brother Kevin, bless his heart. What are the secrets of gravity falls? 2 for 1 sail on eyeballs. Woo! Squirrel tails, woo! Why am I chasing a dime? It's 10 cents. Now I've got a hunch. I'm gonna be this demon's lunch. Whoa!
Stay with us!
It's your best friends, Barry and Helen!
Well, I mean, we're not really that close.
Not the time, Helen! You're back!
Yeah, and it looks like everything's finally back to normal. We just need to be more careful with that potion.
Barry, what have you done?
I get thirsty when I'm nervous! Oh, something's happening! Chip and Barry!
As you see,
Sorry, just a moment, Kiff. Helen, a word?
What?
Have you been exposing our students to dangerous song-based experiments?
Dangerous? Everyone's fine.
Chip and Barry!
He was always like that.
lucky timing for you, Helen, because we're about to reach the grand finale of my presentation. We've had a lot of fun learning about other animals today. What about you? And you? At the end of the day, aren't we all just a bunch of crazy animals fighting for our moment in the sun?
We are animals!
Which is why I wanted to end my report today with a grand finale celebrating some of the very best animals I know. Us! Huh, theme song takeover? Everyone in my room? What's going on?
Well, Kiff?
We were hoping...
Cut the crab apples. We want in on your theme song. Printer!
Yeah, we know the show's called Kiff, but we feel like this is more an ensemble show.
Well, of course we can share my theme song.
Why are you selfish? Great.
Barry, why don't you do the honors and go first? Hit it.
Barry! Barry! Wait, where am I? Why am I not outside the window?
Barry, my song starts with a first-person perspective. You didn't see yourself outside my window because we were looking through your eyes.
Looking through my eyes. What did you see?
The bunny can't cut it. It's Kendall's turn, baby! Kendall. Kendall. Stairs? No one told me there were stairs. Exhausting.
Might I have a go?
I'm not sure that's a good idea.
Principal Secretary! Principal Secretary! Principal Secretary! Principal Secretary! Ah! What kind of theme song can't accommodate someone with a simple name, like Principal Secretary?
Amateurs, time for me. Helen. The witch. Witch. Okay, what was with all the torches and the pitchforks?
I don't know. You started chanting witch and it just happened.
Yeah, that was weird.
It just seemed right.
I myself got carried away.
You know what, Kiff? Kiff, you can keep your exclusive little theme song. Helen, out!
Yeah, that's kind of a lot.
I was never really a fan of all the horns.
I'll buy my own theme song.
Wait, who's gonna help me move this logo out of my room? Nuts. And with that, Kiff Chatterley's Animal Kingdom, a short spectacular, has come to an end.
Kiff, you did it!
No, Barry, we did it.
Quite entertaining, Kiff, but I'm not entirely sure it counts as a science report. What do you think, Helen?
A+.
Hooray! Kiff, 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 Kiff! Wait, you gave everyone burritos! Thank you.